Electric spin scrubber. Efficient and powerful electric scrubber with rotating heads. Designed for deep cleaning in kitchens, bathrooms, and other surfaces. Rechargeable and cordless with interchangeable brushes for versatile cleaning options. Next, mini waffle maker. Small, easy-to-use waffle maker that heats quickly and evenly, creating crispy waffles in minutes. Non-stick plates make cleaning simple, and compact design allows for easy storage, ideal for small spaces. Next, electric citrus juicer. Powerful citrus juicer with a reamer and pulp control to extract maximum juice from oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits. Features a drip-free spout and easy-to-clean design for convenient daily use. Next, electric herb grinder. High-speed electric grinder for chopping fresh or dried herbs and spices with ease. Compact and sleek, it offers consistent, fine grinds with minimal effort, perfect for cooking enthusiasts. Next, vegetable peeler. Sharp, ergonomic vegetable peeler with a stainless steel blade that glides through tough skin smoothly. Designed for easy handling and comfort, making peeling tasks faster and more precise. Next, food chopper. Manual food chopper with sharp, durable blades. Designed to make dicing, mincing, and chopping vegetables and herbs quick and efficient. Compact, easy to clean, and ideal for everyday meal prep. Next, rice dispenser. Compact rice dispenser with an easy pull lever that dispenses a measured portion of rice. Airtight design keeps rice fresh and free from moisture. Perfect for any kitchen. Kitchen steam cleaner. High-temperature kitchen steam cleaner with adjustable steam settings to eliminate grease, grime, and bacteria from surfaces. Lightweight and easy to handle. Ideal for deep cleaning kitchen appliances and countertops. Next, tortilla bowl maker. Non-stick tortilla bowl maker that shapes and crisps tortillas into edible bowls for salads, dips, or entrees. Quick heating and easy to clean, making meal presentation fun and unique. Next, kitchen faucet. Modern kitchen faucet with a high-arc pull-down spray head for flexible cleaning. Equipped with easy touch controls, durable finish, and designed to be splash-free with an ergonomic handle for smooth operation. Next, slow juicer. Slow masticating juicer that extracts nutrient-rich juice from fruits and vegetables with minimal oxidation. Quiet operation, easy to clean, and delivers fresh, high-quality juice. Next, food processor. Powerful multifunctional food processor with a variety of blade attachments for chopping, slicing, shredding, and kneading. Large capacity bowl and intuitive controls make food prep simple and efficient. Next, blender pitcher. Large, durable blender pitcher made of BPA-free material with measurement markings. Ideal for blending smoothies, soups, and sauces, featuring a secure lid and easy pour spout for convenience. Next, smart tea maker. An advanced programmable tea maker with temperature control and a timer for perfect tea brewing. Features auto shutoff, adjustable steeping settings, and easy pour design for customized tea flavors.